How to add an ONU to CMS. There are two methods. Method 1. Connect ONU to CMS by configuring TR-069 protocol. Navigate to the ONU list page, where you can see some ONUs already added to CMS. Based on normal business operation, add a TR-069 to the target ONU with an ID of 100. After successful addition, confirm that the ONU can ping the CMS server. In CMS, locate the information of TR-069 channel, and go back to the ONU web diagnosis page to test the ping of the target ONU. Once ping is successful, configure the TR-069 parameters for the ONU. Find these parameters in the admin page of CMS, under the Channel Resource section, including TR-069 URL, authentication mode, username, and password. Fill in the information and click Apply. If report successfully is displayed, the process is complete. The ONU will now appear on the CMS ONU list page, and by double-clicking on it, you can view and manage it on the device details page.